Okay, jump. Okay, class, jump to the left. Okay, Ate Elsan, out na. Jump to the right. Okay, sino yung napunta sa left? Si Milanchos kanina, Milanchos. Out na. Nigel. Okay, ikaw din, Sean. Out na, okay. Jump to the left. Okay, magaling. Jump to the right. Jump to the left. Jump to the left. Okay. Upo na. Upo na. Ikaw, upo ka na. Ano? Andre. Oh, jump to the right. Jump to the right. Okay, Iron, go. Out na. Oh, jump to the left. Okay, Kailin, out na. Out na, Kailin. Nahuli ka. Upo ka na doon. Okay, balik sa gitna. Okay, jump to the right. Okay, Quincy, out na. Thank you po. Jump to the right. Jump to the left. Jump to the right. Jump to the left. Jump to the left. Jump to the right. Jump to the left. Jump to the right. Jump to the right. Jump to the right. Jump to the left. Jump to the right. Jump to the right. Jump to the left. Okay. Nahuli na si Kylie. Upo na, Kylie. Okay, dalawa na lang. Palakpakan natin sila. Okay, gitna kayo. Gitna. Okay. Mag-ano kayo? Maghiwalay. Dito ka. Sige. Upo muna, upo. Jump to the right. Okay, wala. Hindi nag-jump si Jandarin. So, sino nanalo? Si Jan Ryan. Palakpakan si Jan Ryan. Yay! Okay, so yung prize ni teacher. Okay, write the word pig. 1, 2, 3, go! Pig, bilis. Kayo. Okay, very good. Okay, sige. Okay, balik, go. Okay, next. Write the word van. Van, go. Quiet. Tapos na? Okay, taas. Okay, very good, girls. Oh, bura, patingin. Okay, sige. Bura. Okay, balik. Oh, next. Makinig. Write the word bed. 1, 2, 3, go. Bed. Bed. Oh, sino tapos na? Angat na. Bed, hindi beg. Bed. Do. Ba. Do. Okay, angat. Kay teacher, patingin. Okay, balik na yung tama. Okay, bed. Very good, Milanchos. Okay, sulat mo. Bed. Anong ginagawa mo dyan? D. Patingin. D. D. Anong letra? Anong letter yung D? D. Okay, very good. Okay, sige, pura. Oh, balik na, Demi, balik na. Okay, write the word beg. 1, 2, 3, go. Beg. Tayo. Pakita. Oh. Beg. Okay, so, sino na una? Joe, boys. Okay, next. Write the word van. 1, 2, 3, go. Van. Oh, pakita kay teacher. Van. Okay. Very good. Okay, pareho tama yung sagot. Sino na una? Okay, si Melanchus. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, burahin. Oh, 2 beses na nanalo yung boys. Galingan, girls. Write the word jet. 1, 2, 3, go. Jet. Jet. Oh, pakita yung teacher. Okay. Jet, jet. Very good. Oh, sino nauna? Oh, nauna. Okay, palakpakan yung girls. Okay. 2 points sa boys, 1 point sa girls. Okay, next. Write the word mom. 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 Okay. Quiet. Okay, pakita kay teacher. Mom. Okay. Sino na una? Okay, susabay sila. Tie. Okay, so 2 points pa rin sa boys, 1 point sa girls. Okay, palakpakan si Andre tsaka si Cyrene. Okay, next. Burahin niyo na, burahin. Next. Write the word log. Log. 1, 2, 3, go. Log. Okay, go. Log. Okay, patingin. Okay, sino na una? Okay, yung boys. Boys ang nauna. 3 points na yung boys, 1 point pa lang yung girls. Okay, next. Sino yung gusto? Write the word bat. Bat. 1, 2, 3, go. Bat. Bilis. Bat. Saan kayo nakatingin? Alis. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Oh, nauna si Jandaren. Okay, palakpakan si Jandaren. Okay, dahil wala nang gustong girls na boys na. Tinapay, yes or no? Okay, dapat sabay-sabay. Sige, Andre, kuha pa isa. Candy, yes or no? Okay, out na si Nurjana. Oo, upo na. Okay, kuha ulit, Andre. Very good. Andre, kuha ka na ulit. Chichiria. Okay, very good. Next, Andre, kuha ulit. Kuha ulit ng foods. Saging. Oh, nahuli yung iba. Next, Andre. Very good. Okay, candy. Oh, chocolate. Okay, very good. Next, Andre. Red. Oh, may nahuli. Sige, yung nahuli out na. Kylie, upo na. Demi, Kylie. Hindi na si teacher magsasalita. So, okay, papakita na lang ni Andre.